What's up, mother lovers? We just witnessed another awesome performance by our muse and champion, Alex Ayala. Okay, that was a great point dito sa laban nila with Elena Gabriela Russa, where she won in a lopsided victory. Unfortunately, hindi natapos ni Alex yung laban dito because nagkaroon ng injury si Elena Russa. Mid exactly at the middle of the second set. Okay, so she was unable to continue after nagkaroon pa ng ng bad weather delay. Umulan, kumidlat. And unfortunately, when it was time to resume the game, Russa wasn't able to come out and said she'll have to retire the game. Okay, and like I said, napaka-dominant ng performance ni Alex dito. She won 6-1 sa first set. Tuloy-tuloy yung kanyang surge. Basically isang point lang ang na-score ni Russa, ni Elena Gabriela Russa. And hindi na siya nakaporma, but she was giving a good fight like what you can see here, 'di ba? Yun nga lang, even though she was giving her nice rallies and battles, Alex always ended up winning the rallies, and her serve is on point in this match. Madami siyang mga serve na hindi na ibalik ni Russa. Hindi siya ace pero hindi siya maibalik. 'Di ba? So that's if you ask me, that's as good as an ace. Okay, yung ace kasi hindi mo talaga masasalo eh. Yung talagang lumipad lang bigla yung bola, 'di ba? But Russa, nasasalo naman niya yung tira ni Alex. Yun nga lang, hindi napapasok o kaya outside yung tira niya. So Alex gets the point, to the point na naggano na. Elena Russa was literally nagdadabog na talaga siya doon sa Cincinnati Open, and she totally lost her composure. She was visibly very frustrated. She was out of her game. She was outmatched, outgunned, and very demoralized by Alex Ayala at her best. And it's glorious to watch. And eto, we're just gonna see the volleys pabalik-balik, and Alex, and like that, just like that, 'di ba? Maganda yung rally nila, lumalaban naman si Russa, pero she ends up losing. Oh, just like that again. So that's those are points ng dito sa simula pa lang to eh. 1-1 pa lang. From here on, di na makaka-score si Elena Russa. Okay? And I'm sure she's very frustrated about her performance here. I don't know if the sprain, kasi yung injury na sinasabi ko kanina is later, before the match ended, nagpatawag siya ng injury timeout, and she called out a doctor to tape her right ankle. Parang katulad nung ginawa ni Alex last time. 'Di ba? Nagpa-tingin siya dun sa doktor, tinapan yung sakong niya. Hindi sakong eh, yung ankle, 'di ba?
Oh, such a good point.
And it's It was scary when Alex was doing it, 'di ba? Nakakatakot sa nangyari dito. Tapos ang daming ang daming tape eh. I'm sure it was uncomfortable pag nagsapatos ka nung ganun kadami yung tape. But Alex she muscled through that ordeal, and later on pinatanggal niya rin. Siguro mas hassle, parang feeling niya kaya niya naman. But unfortunately, and Alex ended up winning that match. Diba? Kalaban niya nun si si McNally. And it was a grueling match. Especially grueling dahil nga dun sa tapilok niya, 'di ba? Na-sprain siya. But unfortunately for Rusa, nung nangyari sa kanya dito, hindi niya nagawang bumalik even after the break. Kasi nung nagkaroon nga ng sinuspend yung laban because of the rain, that should be time for her to recover, but she wasn't able to, 'di ba? Ayun, that was a good point from Rusa. And nakakapuntos naman siya dito sa mga games, okay? But when it comes to the set points, it was all Alex from here on, 'di ba? And nakaka-frustrate 'yan, 'di ba? Ito mahahabol niya pa 'to eh. 'Di ba? Tingnan mo 30-0. 30 love na si dito, si Rusa, lamang na siya. Pero mahabol siya ni Alex, and Alex ends up winning the point. So if those things add up, nakaka-demoralize talaga 'yun. 'Di ba? And of course, Alex looking strong and very beautiful at the peak of her athleticism, 'di ba? In her youth. And it's just a joy to watch this young woman perform at the highest level in front of the world and be some of the world's best. Okay? In front of everybody. Diba? Okay, Alex, grabe rin yung hustle niya dito. Napuntusan siya doon. Okay, ngayon deuce na naman. And there Alex takes the advantage point and will soon steal this match or this game from Rusa. So 4-1 na pagdating dito. So it's basically the same story all throughout the rest of this game, this match. Parang itong si Alex nagpapaasa siya eh. Pinapaasa niya si Rusa, tapos tatalunin din naman. Ang sama ng ugali mo, Alex Ayala. But eto, Alex, may mga magagandang shots din naman si Elena. But again, it wasn't enough. Because at the end of the day, you need to finish the game on top. 'Di ba? Each game kasi, kada isang point dito sa set, isang game 'yon. One game, if you win one game, you get 1 point, 1 set point. 'Di ba? So at this point of the match, 1-5, 'di ba? Because Alex just won another set point there. So 4 set points sa habulin mo, napakadaming points nun. Napakadaming balik-balik nun para mahabol mo yung 5-1. If you pag natambakan ka ng ganun sa tennis, I would imagine that would be very demoralizing. Okay. And now, here we go. Eto, matatalo na naman siya. 40-15. One more point for Alex to win the game. And she does it and wins the first set 6-1. Eto, dire-diretso na to. Again, it was Alex all the way. Hindi naman sa ano hindi sa sinuswerte si Alex dito Hindi wala talagang dominante lang talaga. Dominante lang talaga. Hindi siya mga tsamba yung tira, hindi yung minamalas lang yung kalaban niya. 'Di ba? Although may mga double fault naman si Rusa. But I think she had 2 double faults. So it's not that heavy. I think the real killer here is
Pushes it wide.
yung mga returns ni Alex at saka yung serve niya. Hindi maibalik ni Rusa yung ilang serves niya dito. Ayun, katulad nun, outside yung return ni ayun, 'di ba? That's another one. Especially in this that's another point. Those are easy points. The serve, a failed return on each serve is an easy point. It's as good as an ace if you ask me. 'Di ba? So it's ayun, pero naka-ace si Rusa. She's also plagued with bad service sa first serve. And but that's the name of the game. And there's it again. Failed
That's more like it.
returns. Galit na si nag-meltdown siya doon hindi pinakita. Hindi na lang pinakita pero nag-meltdown si Rusa doon. Galit na galit siya, nahampas niya yung raketa niya. Hindi siya I'm sure you can find reels of her being like that, and she totally lost her composure. 0-2. This is the 8th straight point of Alex Ayala over her.
She knew
And
exactly what was coming. Another break.
there you go. She's about to score the 3rd point for the 2nd set, and it's just too much for Elena Rusa.
As she finds.
And there's it again, 3-0, 3-love for the 2nd set. And dito tatawag siya ng timeout ata She's gonna hindi, after 30-0 she's gonna call for a timeout for that ayun another point for Alex Ayala. That was
Conclusion of this match very soon.
that was
So
the
you
last-
join us then.
that was the last point of this match. Okay, so Rusa calls for a medical timeout, and then magkakaroon ng tumigil na, and then nagkaroon ng suspension yung game dahil uulan. Okay, so they saw na parang umaambon na hindi lang kita dito pero maambon na daw, tapos may kidlat. So after that tinigil na muna yung game, and after mga almost 1 hour they tried to resume, but Rusa already tapped out. Okay, so yun, panalo si Alex Ayala. Congratulations baby girl. Pinapasaya mo kami ng todo-todo dito sa Pilipinas. Okay. So yun. That's all I got. Paalam.